Well, I've just come up to this point in the forest, and I'm in a bit of a dilemma now because the trails are pretty rocky, actually, very rough, and I'm not really quite sure which way to go here. So I've just come up there, just come up this track, quite a steep climb on a few boulders, I think, and then that way is definitely not the direction I want to go in. This one is looks like a decent track, actually, but it's going down and I don't want to go down, so the only option left is this one going up. Now, I think there should be a road near the top of, well, somewhere along that track anyway, a road leading up to a place called Bussaco, but never know, do you? Anyway, that's it. Yeah, it's a lovely forest, this, though, and it's quite hilly around here, to say the least. Yeah, so having a surprisingly sunny, warm day today. I thought it was going to be the usual thing, cold wind and sunshine and cold wind, but this one's definitely warming up. This place called Bussaco Palace Hotel, above a small town called Luso, which is kind of spa town, I think. At least they've got spring water there, and a lot of people come there for it. But anyway, this is Bussaco Palace Hotel on the hill above it, and pretty spectacular place. Yeah, it was built, I don't know, I'm not sure, but I haven't got the numbers in my head, but well over 100 years ago it was built. And anyway, it was built just beside a convent, which is over on the left hand side. So it's over on, you can't see it, but there was an old convent just on the other side of it, and that's where the Duke of Wellington stayed. for, I don't know, for a while, 1 night, 2 nights, I don't know. But you know, he stayed there after a battle here with Napoleon's army way back 200 years ago or more. But yeah, so spectacular place. But you know, it's not very busy today. In fact, there's nobody here. There's cars coming in and out, but I haven't seen anybody walking around. It's amazing. But you know, it's a lovely day, and you'd expect a few people to be out today from somewhere, but no, it's empty. I like it like this anyway. So there you go, the Bussaco Palace Hotel. Pretty grand, isn't it?